Before doing this 10-minute stretching routine, my flexibility was terrible because shoulder mobility is essential for working out, especially if you want to do things like CrossFit or calisthenics or weightlifting or really anything where your hands go above your head. Increasing shoulder flexion, aka overhead mobility, is the first thing that you want to work on because without it, you can experience a lot of pain and even injury if you try to do things like handstands, shoulder press, or overhead squats. I used to have terrible shoulder flexibility, and as a result, I suffered pain and injuries. Once I learned effective trigger point release, loaded stretching, and antagonistic muscle end range contractions, I was able to literally hack my nervous system and get instant shoulder flexibility. Join in with me in this follow along routine, and you will increase your shoulder mobility in a matter of minutes. Starting with some trigger point release for the lats. So I'm going to lay down here on the ground and I'm going to get my physio ball and get right into my lats here. And the lats are a really big muscle, so you can go, right down your back to the lower back and you're still hitting your lats. If you look at the lats, if you just Google it, the lat is such a big muscle. So there's a lot of different areas that you can hit to get that release in the lat. Now we're going to jump up, get on our pull-up bar, and we're going to just hang, okay? Excuse my shirt coming up. Probably need to get a bigger shirt, don't I? And we're just going to hang, completely relaxed. Try to bring your rib cage down a little bit and try to get a little bit into a posterior pelvic tilt. That'll force more shoulder flexion. We're going to get a bench and you're going to lean on the bench like this or kind of like this. Get into a posterior pelvic tilt, and then from here, keep the elbows straight. We're going to go to full range of motion shoulder flexion. Hold for 10 seconds. We're going to lift as hard as we can. We're trying to create the strongest contraction we can get. Okay, about another 5 seconds. Come on, let's work for it, work for it, work for it. 2, 1, relax, good work. Okay, now we're gonna change sides. Okay, get on the bench, get into a posterior pelvic tilt. So you're gonna avoid spine extension like that. Okay, keep the elbow completely straight. Lift up as hard as you can into shoulder flexion. We're gonna hold for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, come on, let's lift hard. Keep that elbow straight, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. Come on, let's go. Okay, that's about 10 seconds. Now we're going straight into our lat tri insertion stretch. So what we're going to do when you do this, there's 2 things we're going to do. Number 1, we're going to push the head and the shoulders down towards the ground. And then number 2, we'll do it together, okay? So just grab onto your weight. And then from here, okay, what I want you to do is drop your head and shoulders down towards the ground like this. Okay, get as low as you can go so you feel the stretch in the lats and the tricep. And now we're going to create a posterior pelvic tilt without coming up with our head and shoulders. And now protract the shoulder blades and push the elbows into the bench hard for 3 seconds. That's 1 rep. We're going to do 10 reps. And again, posterior pelvic tilt, protract the shoulders hard, push the elbows down for 3 seconds. That's 2. Drop down, try to go further on each rep. Okay, here we go. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders, push the elbows down hard to create a loaded stretch and relax. 4. Protract hard and relax. Push those shoulders down, push the head down, get deeper into the stretch. Okay, 5, here we go. Protract the shoulders hard and relax. Coming down. Okay, posterior pelvic tilt, let's go. Protract the shoulders hard. Let's go, come on, come on, come on, work for it. Relax. I think that was 6. Let's call this one 7. Protract the shoulders hard. Come on, come on, come on. Pull those elbows down. Relax. Dropping down. We're getting deeper into the stretch now. Okay, posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders hard. Push the elbows down. That's 8. Let's go. 2 more reps. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders hard. Pull the elbows down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Relax. Last rep, we're going to hold for 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, posterior pelvic tilt. Protract, pulling those elbows down hard. Come on, let's work for it. Come on, this is what it's all about, team. This is where you get those results. Let's go, a few more seconds. Woo! Oh, man, it is brutal. All right, 1 minute break. So let's explain it. What are we doing? Why are we doing it? Shoulder flexion, loaded shoulder flexion. It's an antagonistic end range contraction. We're trying to create flexibility in the shoulder extensors, so the muscles that create shoulder extension, so lats and triceps mainly. So by doing an antagonistic end range contraction, so contracting the shoulder flexors at end range, it's very, very hard for the body to contract the opposing muscles, the antagonists, so the muscles that we're trying to create flexibility in. What it also does is it intentionally tries to trigger the Golgi tendon organs function to shut down the body's ability to create muscle contractions, which gives you instant flexibility improvements. And you don't lack shoulder flexibility because your muscles are tight. You lack shoulder flexibility because your nervous system is protecting you and it's just doing too good a job, and we're hacking the nervous system here. So here we go, let's get into round 2. Now, and it only works if you do a really hard end range contraction, so don't wimp out on this. Okay, posterior pelvic tilt, lift up hard, keep that elbow straight. Come on, let's work for it. Come on, let's go, that's 3 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, woo. Okay, here we go, change sides. Come on, let's get into it, people. Efficient workouts is what we're all about here. Let's go. Come on, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, nice work. Okay, now we're into our lat tri-insertion stretch. We're only doing 3 rounds, so this is the second round. Let's get into it. Make this round better than the last one. Okay, don't let the weight touch your body. You're holding it off the body a little bit. We're getting where the lats and the triceps both cross over each other in the shoulder here, okay? Drop down as low as you can go. Feel that stretch in the lats. Posterior pelvic tilt. Don't let your shoulders come up. Protract the shoulders hard. Pull the elbows down. That's 1. We hold for 3 seconds on each contraction. Drop down. Posterior pelvic tilt. Second rep. Let's go. Good. Relax. Okay, hard contractions here. Okay, relax here. And now 3. Posterior pelvic tilt, protract the shoulder blades, pull those elbows down for a hard contraction, good. Okay, coming back down. Okay, here we go, rep 4, posterior pelvic tilt, protract the shoulders hard, pull those elbows down, come on, come on, come on. Good work. I've lost count, I think that was 5. Here we go. I'm used to just counting and not giving cues while I'm doing it. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, that's 6. Relax, going down deeper. Come on, let's get deeper into the stretch. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract those shoulder blades. Pull those elbows down hard. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice work. Okay, rep number 7. Here we go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Relax. 3 more reps. Come on. You got this. Let's go. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulder blades. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice work. Coming back down. Okay, and again. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulder blades. I think that's 9. Okay, we're going to do 1 more and hold for 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract those shoulder blades. Pull those elbows down hard. Come on, let's go. Let's work for it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, woohoo. Oh, I've always got to come out of that slowly. Oh, man, what a challenge. Okay, so this is a 3 kilo weight. So I think that's about 6.5 pounds. You do not need a lot of weight when you do this. We're not trying to lift heavy weight here. We're just trying to give ourselves a little bit of resistance. For a lot of people, even just 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds is absolutely enough, because we're just trying to give ourselves a little bit of weight to resist against. And you don't want enough weight that it limits your range of motion. So if you want to know how much should you lift, basically bring your arm up as far as it'll go into shoulder flexion in that position. And if the weight you grab means you can't get as high, it's too much weight. Okay, so just a little bit of weight. All right, we've only got 1 more round and then we're going to be finished. So 3 rounds of this. Do it 3 days a week. So every second day, or you could do it every third day if you're just getting used to this, but every second day. It's a really short, really efficient workout, and man, are you going to get increased shoulder mobility. You'll notice it very, very quickly. Okay, so let's get this done. We've got to be efficient so we don't waste time dawdling around. We've got more things to do in our training, so we've got to make these workouts efficient. Here we go. Lifting up. 1, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, man. Okay, change sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, here we go, team. Last round. Come on, let's get into it. 10 reps, let's make them count. Okay, dropping those shoulders down, dropping the head down. Okay, posterior pelvic tilt. Don't let your shoulders come up. Protract the shoulders. 1, 2,
3, that's 1. Dropping down, go deeper into the stretch. Let's push it. Come on. 2. And 1, 2, 3. And dropping back down again. 3. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders. Pull those elbows down hard. Come on. Nice work. Dropping down. Okay, 4. Get that posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Dropping down. Come on, get that stretch. 4, 2, 3. Coming down. Come on, here we go. We're halfway through now. Let's go. That's 5. Come on. We're there. Almost there. Come on. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders. Pull the elbows down hard. Let's go, go, go. Woo! Okay, dropping down. Now, here we go. Protract the shoulders. Let's go, 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 go. That's 6. Okay, 4 more. Come on. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulders. 7. Okay, 8. Here we go. Posterior pelvic tilt. Protract the shoulder blades. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. I've lost count. I'm going to call this the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, man. Woohoo! Well done, tribe. Well done. 3 times a week doing that, and you will see a significant increase in shoulder flexibility. Okay? Now, if you get shoulder pain, if you've had a shoulder injury, I've had a labrum tear in both shoulders. I've also torn the rotator cuff, multiple muscles. So I've had lots of trauma in my shoulders. And there's a certain way that you really need to warm up, which is a bit more than what we just did here. So if you get shoulder pain, or even when you're doing your workouts, then click or tap the screen there and join me in a follow along warm up specifically for your shoulders. I'll see you in that next video.